it's good that Lithuania we reached this the Premier League, and see the different situations. I think that the main idea is really the main situation. The main problem is going to be related to the scalability to enter the market, start competing with the big giants,
Yeah.
And this is when it comes to compliance, this must be in place. Nothing to discuss and nothing to tell to our clients. It's our business. When it comes to AI, it's just new tool, nothing more than. And but when it comes to competition, scalability of business, this is really a matter of some kind of alliances, mergers, acquisitions, or in disappearance. And that's the key point. Whether what we have here, we have around 120 licenses, and whether we have the capacity to start scaling our business up or not. But this is a very general, nothing to do, say, with Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia. This is the very general situation. Whether newcomers, like we have 120 here in the country, will be able to start competing with incumbents. And this is the key situation for us now. That's a key situation, not compliance, not nothing to do with
Yeah.
the registration, because I really can tell that the regulators, the Baltic countries, they're even they're very, how to say, keen to be innovative. They're very flexible. They're very agile. At the same time, they're also compliant. They must be. But it is really that three countries, like the rising stars, now we reach the point when we really need to find the ways how to start compete, not say with the regulator,
Yeah.
not to start, sending scare messages to our clients, but how we can start competing with the incumbents, with the huge business, how we can really find the ways how to find the ways to scale up our business. That's the key, I think, message.
All right.
It's a
Thank
different.
you.
It's nothing to blame. It's only about us.
Yeah.
It's about our brains, about our capacities.
All right. Thank you so much. So Anna Pavlovska, so you are also with the same diverse background as Saulius is across banking and fintech. And I'm interested about how are legacy banks and new fintechs working together, or are they crashing in Europe right now?
Mhm. This is a very good question because if we look over the past 10 years, for instance, we have seen a major shift, I would say, from this rivalry to rather a partnership. And nowadays we have like a lot of examples where even very, very traditional bank partner with fintech in very way. For instance, even in crypto space, so we have this Robinhood, which was licensed in
Yeah.
Lithuania, the first license for Mika and for MiFID, so for brokerage. And when we speak about the partnership, even the safeguarding of funds, so they are selecting the banks. So smaller banks. Out of their risk appetite, and they are working with JP Morgan or Citibank or Barclays. So we also have seen that, for instance, Santander have acquired one of the fintech licensed in Lithuania, which was ArcaPay, with a very good B2B business. And of course, we have kind of the luxury in Lithuania. The smaller fintechs can collaborate with the smaller banks, and we have this concept, special purpose banks, which was actually adopted only in Lithuania out of EU regulations, and which is very good